Okay, let's try this video again. For some reason my camera paused. I'm not a computer or a camera person. As I stated in the first try, I have been starting to collect the Cruisin' USA series model cars. They came out in the early 80s, 80, 81, somewhere around there. I'm not exactly sure. I think the box said 80. I had them when I was younger. I built them up. I never built them like the box. The one thing I've never liked was this metallic stuff on the back of here. But this time around, I'm going to build them in tribute to the Cruisin' USA series on the box. I'm going to use like the decals, the custom pieces, but I'm going to do them in my style, something I would like. And as you've seen most of my videos, I do build customs. I've built custom Mercs, Fords, and Chevys. I like building the customs, but I'm more into the street machines, the Pro Street, the dragsters, something that goes fast. So we'll turn this so you can see it that way. With this 51 Chevy, I have already painted it. It's a star-spangled blue, AMT metallic blue. I went and shaved all the trim off of it, opened up the rear fenders. I've molded in the custom front piece and the headlights and the rolled rear pan. I have a straight front axle out of a 55 Nomad that will be going in this, and a blown big block Chevy that will be coming up through that hood. So it'll be a street gasser, street freak type of car. That's what I like. I love the street freaks. As I've mentioned before, I had one when I was younger. I had a Mustang that was a street freak, little 72. The next one I got, box is a little rough, but still I'm going to plan on displaying these with the box art. The 65 Riviera Lowrider. Well, I'm not going to do the lowrider. I can appreciate the lowriders. I've built a few of them too. I can appreciate the paint job, the work they put into them. Some of them are just stunningly beautiful. But again, I like cars that go fast in a straight line. But with mine, I plan on doing, I want to keep the stripes again, but I want to do it in a two-tone, like a graphite and metallic silver, top and bottom with those stripes. And I've already been molding in the custom pieces. I will probably put a spoiler on the front. I've added an L88 hood scoop to this one. I've dug through my stuff. Yeah, you get the idea. This spoiler I found, I narrowed it. It'll go a little further back on the trunk of the thing. It'll be sitting at a rake with some like Krager SS's or something like that. I'm not sure yet. It'll have the Buick motor in there with the supercharger that comes in this kit. So yeah, it'll be fast. It'll be cool. Now, the other one I'm working on, I've actually got quite a bit done on it. Yeah, tip that off there. Scare my kitty. I got the 49 Mercury Coupe. Actually, I've heard this stuff from the hobby shop. The 49 Mercury Coupe is coming back this year. I've built a lot of these custom over the years and everything, but I'm going to do mine. I've been working on mine as a street machine, street freak too. As you can see right now, it's just kind of mocked up. I've went and opened up the back fenders, added some pipes on the side, added me a sunroof, molded in the front piece, molded in the headlights, added a spoiler on the front there. I've went and molded in the caddy taillights and the rolled rear pan on it. This one is also done in the Mystic Maroon, which I think will complement those decals there. As I said before, these are the rub-on transfer decals. They're terrible. But I plan on scanning them into my printer and then printing them back out on some water slide paper so that they will, hopefully, it'll work out. As you can see, I've also Frenched in 2 antennas there. And see if you can see that. That will be the motor for it. A 429 Ford Boss blown with 8 carburetors. See if we can slide that in here and get you an idea what it will look like. Yeah, kind of something like that. That should be totally crazy, totally insane. And it'll be different. I bet you've never seen a Merc look like that. And when I do receive the others and I start building on them, I will try to make more videos. Like I say, I'm sorry my videos are scarce and here and there. I'm sorry if I don't answer comments. I have a hard time getting onto the computer. It's between either I build or I get on the computer. And I'd much rather build. But I do love sharing, and I do love seeing your projects. The best thing I say about model building is sharing with people with the same passion. Thank you, and until next time.